mistake is bad. Okay. Kahit anong tingnan nyo, mistake is bad. And this will be, kaya yan ay tinatrili-rate nila yan eh. At the end of the day. Marami kang mistakes involved and you cannot grow up. Ano nyo? So every time when you do things, think about it. I would not say not totally perfect, but minimize error. Okay? Kung magkaroon kayo man ng error,
Ang superintendent kasi, lagi tayong connected doon sa operations at saka sa commercial. Kasi sa atin nagdepende lagi paano natin ma-expedite ang early completion nitong i-deduct natin na hawakan natin barko. So, kailangan may connection tayo sa operations at saka sa mga operator o dito sa commercial na side. Yung early completion natin, yan in-expect nila sa atin.